Okay, so I've washed her, gave her a good scrub, a rough scrub on everything, and loosen up all the soil and oil and everything on it. There's some tight spots that I'm gonna have to get into with one of my smaller brushes that I have, but she's pretty well cleaned up. Now I just got to wash all of the parts and polish them, and I'll do them one at a time and reassemble it one at a time, one part at a time. Shouldn't take me long. I don't want to hurry. As I've mentioned, this is my cancer recovery therapy, so I have time, and it's not like I have a customer waiting that I have to hurry up for. So I have just got my little work area too, but there she is, ready for some detailing now that it's clean, and then slow reassembly. All right.